Auto Part 6.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be me.
Yeah, no, it's not gonna be me.
I told you.
Yeah, it wasn't gonna be me. I don't use that Jason anymore. Oh, you're at the lodge. Sucks to be you, bud. Oh man, there's two people. You never go to the lodge first. Oh wait, what about the shotgun? Damn it, I kinda want the shotgun. Well, too bad. Ooh. We gonna have a little party up in here. Ooh, yeah. Oh, the boat's at the lodge. What? No! It's time for me to come out of the closet. It only makes sense to check this house, but I really, really want to go look for a shotgun. Either in the barn or the main place. I know there's one there somewhere, in either one. I'll take that just in case there isn't. Yeah. Stocking up. Wait, who was Jason? Oh, it's Grand. No shit. Come on, give me a pocket knife. Give me a pocket knife. Yeah. Hey, there's a Arctic. There's a healing thing in here and a map. Healing.
I already have a map.
That drawer. That second drawer.
Oh shit.
Left one.
That's the first drawer to me. Thank you. Now I have 4 med sprays.
God damn.
Yes. I love the medic perk.
I got
Ooh,
2.
come on. Come on, boat repeller. Propeller. Nope. Never know if he actually spawns in this one.
Yeah. What the fuck?
What?
I can't go through this door. Oh, it shut. I tried. It just opened. What the fuck? It said it was already open for me. The fuck? My game's wigging out.
Good. Good. I just need the propeller now.
Oh, you got.
If I am given the propeller, I will let anybody escape on my boat. Boot.
Wait, there was gas in there?
No, Moon has gas.
Oh.
My boot. Someone's heading towards my boot.
Your boot?
My boot.
I need the badge.
If it's not Moon.
I need the badge for building the boat parts.
It looks like it's Moon. It looks like it's Moon. And it's Moon. It's Moon. It's Moon. Okay, good.
I told you I had your gas.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Give me.
Shush.
Yes.
Calm
Yes.
down, Arctic.
Aw.
Cha!
Do it. No
Ooh.
balls.
Bang!
No balls.
Now give me my gun.
I
Now give me my
wouldn't
gun.
shoot him.
Now give me my
Maybe
gun.
later.
Give me my gun.
Oh,
Give me
guys,
my gun.
Jason's coming.
Give me the gun.
Grand.
Well,
No.
then run, because he's not going to kill me in Arctic right now.
Give me the gun. Thank you.
He's
Thank
not
you.
gonna kill me either.
Just say you're helping us try to find the propeller.
It's
Propeller,
probably-
where are you?
It's
And
probably
then maybe I can get
at
out in the car. I just told him I want to escape on the boat.
Propeller, mine, bitches,
Wait, you found
mine,
it?
Calm down, Arctic.
mine. I'll shoot all of you.
You found it?
Uh-huh.
All right, good for
And
you. I
then-
got the propeller.
Oh my god, yes.
Yeah, I just let them
Finally.
escape. You and the Bugsy can go on the
Notorious.
boat.
Yeah.
We're not allowed to go on it.
Get out of the boat. I mean, get on the boat.
Go
I
on
mean-
the boat.
Oh.
You know what I mean.
All right, I'm out of the
No,
boat.
I don't.
Step
Get on the
two.
boat. I'm gonna shoot you.
Go
What's
on the
step
boat.
two?
Go.
I don't want to go on the boat. I'm gonna
You two
die.
go on the boat.
I'm gonna die.
If you don't go on the
You
boat right
won't.
now, I'm gonna shoot you.
Well,
I will shoot you.
You can try.
Don't
I
tempt
think
him.
I think he's tempting me. I think he's tempting me, Moon.
No, Arctic.
I think he's tempting me.
No.
I think he's tempting me. He's tempting me. He's fucking tempting me.
He's not, Arctic.
All right,
Okay.
fine. He's not. He's not. All right. Well, I don't know what to do at this point. I just let's see. How many does this make now? 92. Okay, so that makes 8 more left. Yes, I can taste victory. It tastes like
Can
chicken
you not
nuggets.
do that in my mouth, in my ear?
In your mouth.
You're weird.
Don't leave me all alone, please.
He almost hit me with a spatula once.
Spatula?
Well, I'm not gonna hit you over it, but I will request you to stop.
Please. We always beat each other up. I wonder if I can still hit one of them. You guys can go on the boat. I don't care. Just get on the boat.
I'm kind of not allowed to get on the boat, so.
I don't
you
care
guys
about
go.
anything other than fixing the boat, so I don't care if I died right now. So, hell, Moon, you can shoot me.
I don't.
Shoot Moon right in the back of her head. Oh, I'm joking.
Sound like you said.
You
I
know
wish
I'd
you could,
come
like-
back and shoot
I wish
you.
there was, like, gore and stuff where you can just, like, when you shoot somebody in the head, like, their head just blows up and their
my
brains and
God.
eyes just go everywhere.
Put the weapon down.
Arctic, calm down.
No! This is my gun! You think a flare's gonna do anything? It's just gonna leave me with a burn. Scary voice, I'm out of here. Maybe,
God.
maybe I'll go with the tactic.
The tactic.
Don't make me do it, Moon.
What's your tactic?
What
To
time?
Okay.
You know what I'll do, Moon.
No, I
The
don't.
thing you told me to do to stop doing, I'll do it. Don't think I won't.
I'm a little lost.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What thing?
Oh wait, who the hell's in the water?
Chad, probably.
The fuck is shit?
I mean, at the start of
Ricky
the match, he
Bear.
was in the water. I don't know why.
Let's go to
Ricky
the house of Jason.
Spanish.
I can say peacefully.
Hey,
I have
let's go
Jason's
to
sweater.
the house of Jason, you know.
What the
I have
hell
I
is?
have the sweater.
We already have the sweater.
We should kill him.
Hi.
So
I
we
don't
just need
think
somebody
Master
to
will go
die
down
then.
without a
Yeah,
fight.
people need to
No,
die.
no, I know with the sweater.
Somebody
you
needs to
don't.
die.
You don't have the sweater.
Moon,
Kill me.
take the
You don't
whole
have a
team.
sweater.
A favorite game I like to play with my friends is rock
We
paper
need to
scissors.
talk to
Everybody
They're
does
taking
rock
the
paper
boat. They're
scissors,
taking
and the
the boat.
loser has to die.
Yeah.
How would you
Need
know
any
who
Tommy
does what?
jerseys.
YOLO, I just pick a random person and shoot them. I close my eyes while all of you are standing in a
We
line,
have to
and I go like this,
get off the mask.
and then I pull the trigger,
We
and
have
somebody
to
dies.
get off the mask.
There's no way.
Mask.
There's no way we're gonna get his mask off.
The mask.
We can.
Wait.
You can get it off. It's not
Yeah.
too hard.
Does anybody
Somebody
have,
just moved the boat down.
Does anybody have
It's
a
now
machete?
down here.
Anyone have a machete?
No.
Nope. I don't even have a weapon.
I have an axe.
Oh,
Let's
let
start
me see that.
gathering machetes
Let
and
me see
weapons
the
and
axe.
axes, and I'm keeping the gun.
Arctic, let's come
Hey,
in here for a second.
who's got
I
the
have a
axe?
gun.
I can't trust you, Notorious. I'm sorry.
What? Why? What did I do?
Sorry, I just can't trust the Bugsy.
Mario, here.
I got an axe.
Mario.
Let's go.
Here. Take the flare gun.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go
and
back
give
out the
me
door then.
axe.
Hold on 1 second.
We're nuts trying this.
Really?
What'd you do that
Help!
Really
Help
good.
us!
Really, Mario?
SOS! Maybe
for?
we'll get a
Stay
helicopter
close
ride.
together.
Shoot Mario. Shoot Mario. Do it.
I don't know if standing too close to me. I mean, half of you are technically randoms to me, so I mean, Moon's probably the safest
Oh
person
my god.
with me.
Someone
Oh,
dies.
Mia. I don't know about the sweater.
Oh.
Well, he's already got 1 kill. Wait up, guys. Look at him just leaving me like
You can
that.
tell me
Wait,
to go
Arctic.
left, and I'll just keep going left until you guys tell me to stop.
Wait, Arctic, listen. So, if
Yes.
Jason picks us up, shoot his legs.
He knows.
Well,
It's just he's not very good at saving randoms. Like
I'm
he
very
doesn't
good
know
at
that
saving
well.
Moon. That's about it. sometimes that can save Bray.
He has never shot me.
I've never
Except
shot
when he
Moon. I've
wanted
shot
to.
everybody else who gets grabbed. I usually end up killing them.
Damn.
So,
Just shoot the legs.
warning all of you. I do shoot the legs.
He's saying he knows how. It's
Howdy,
just...
master.
Howdy.
Sensei. Senpai.
Oh my god.
How's it
senpai.
going?
I love you. Mwah.
Wow.
I love you too, Moon.
That first hit was awful.
Get off
sorry.
this mosque.
They want to kill you.
No, we don't want to.
Oh, they want to kill me?
Oh, and... Thank you!
See? I can save everybody else.
Well, we can't
I'd
now.
save
Did
Moon,
you
I mean.
kill someone?
Yeah, you killed you killed the person with the sweater.
I told you, I can only save Moon. Everybody else just gets shot in my way. Actually, I didn't even get betrayed points, I think. It didn't
the
come
good
up.
News
Oh,
is,
true, you guys can't kill me anymore.
the good news is
We
we
need
got
the
Tommy.
ghost.
The bad news is the sweater's gone.
Lol. Yeah, why the hell would all of you get to stand in front of me when I'm pointing a gun around? Like, Jesus. You were traveling with me for so long, you should have known this. I think he's just gonna stand in the way. Hang on, I need to teabag the
I
body.
hope you guys know we don't have gas, so we can't even start the car.
It's alright, everything's alright. We don't even have keys yet either. Let's go find gas. La 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 la.
Oh,
The fuck is the Chad doing?
where's my
I have
bat?
no idea.
Where's
I
my
actually
bat?
lost that shit.
Where's my bat? I need a weapon, guys. Somebody took my bat.
You guys say you guys didn't put the gas? Okay, just staying next to the gas. Or maybe I could just kill you since nothing's being prepared on the gas.
Hey, Master, if we get the gas in and then I find the keys, can I run everybody over?
Master, no.
No.
Moonlight, help.
Because I want to,
I
let's
can't
see.
see!
I
I
can get
saved
negative
you.
6,000
Yeah.
XP. That'd be pretty cool. I want to see that happen. Let's find the gas, everybody, so I can run everybody over.
You're not running anyone over, Arctic.
That's
Especially not me.
Alright, fine.
Survive for the.
So, first person to find the gas
Shit!
gets to be saved.
Come on! Damn
And
it.
then the other two people, I'll just random.
And nobody is here. What?
I got you.
Where's
there we
this
go.
one?
I got you.
Right here!
Oh.
Stay alive. We're trying to get a mask
Okay.
off. Stay close to me.
For
Well,
what
then
reason?
give me
We
the,
don't-
the machete.
We don't have the thing anymore. We don't have the sweater. So why are you trying?
Oh,
to
we
get-
don't?
No, the person with the sweater got.
Oh,
shot.
I didn't know they died.
Yeah, they got shot. I don't have the bat. It broke.
What?
Somebody hit him. Shoot him with the legs.
Oh, I didn't know they got shot.
Shoot him in the legs. Hey, there's a.
If I'd known that. Oh well.
Oh, I can't pick up
Well,
that.
the Mooney
mist
out.
spray. Hey, Grand. How you doing? Damn.
What's good?
Hey, Grand. You should let me live. You know.
Hold up.
There, I can finally see. Where's Arctic? I think he's the one back here. Alright, so that's been checked. Someone's taking the boat.
Tommy Jervis.
Excuse me. Ugh.
No, Tom and Jerry's Day.
So. Hey, Gran.
So,
Did you kill the person on the boat?
well, that guy's tried to stole the boat twice, and I killed him twice from the boat. Nobody's taking the boat. I think that's spark already far.
Oh, what not?
Nah, I like people when they steal
Hi,
the boat.
Jason. Why are you stalking me?
I need to get the badge for
That's the
escaping on the
point of
boat.
the killer.
I need to escape on the boat more so I
No.
get the badge.
You didn't have to do that.
Maybe I do if I
I'm
want
good
to,
people.
though.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give you a cut off.
No.
I told you I was gonna give you a cut off.
Oh my god. I'm a king.
Why are you following me? Stop following me! Yeah. Alright, so where are they? They're at Player's Cove. I'm almost to the boat. Is he over there? Wish I had a walkie. There is a little shack here. I want to know what's the use of this island. Oh wait, this is the island where they, where Jason first comes. I can do it. I can do it. I believe. I believe.
It started.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. I believed and I did it. Yeah.
What the fuck is happening?
Alrighty.
Hi there. How you
Hi.
doing? My name's Jeff.
Your name is Jeff?
Hi.
It's a pretty cool name.
Hold on, I'm gonna take this flare gun and I'm gonna shoot it as far as I can.
Walkie check.
Yes.
Talkie walkie.
Walkie
Talkie
Shoot
walkies
me,
check.
Help us!
I got the gun, everybody, so we're all safe now, except for maybe
Me.
everybody but Moon is safe.
No,
Everybody but
everybody.
Moon?
No,
You
everybody
mean-
but me is safe because you shot my pinky toe and I died.
Yeah, I meant the other way around. Everyone, Moon's the only one that's really safe here. Everyone else will probably die. Maybe Master will live.
Thank
I don't know.
Aw.
Mario, this time just don't get your pinky toe in the way. And
I-
Torius,
I'm
keep your
sorry.
pinky toes out of the way as well.
I got you. Don't worry,
Actually, Mario, it's now pinky toe because I shut off the other one.
my pinky toe is
Oh my God.
is in my shoes, so I'm good.
Don't worry, you
Oh
don't
my
need
God.
pinkies. You don't need pinky toes.
Yeah, they're useless.
Well, I do.
Yeah.
If I don't have pinky toes, I'll just die.
Hey guys, I got the keys.
Nah. If you don't have your big toes, you'll die.
No,
Guys.
it's my pinky toes.
I got the keys.
Well, then you're weird.
You just started figuring that out.
No,
I got the keys.
Good boy. I got the
I'm a
battery.
girl. Don't assume my gender.
Okay.
Hey, Moon. Hello.
Hey, listen. It's not who. It's whom. It's not whom. It's whomst.
Noise.
It's not whomst. It's whomstov.
That is very interesting. Okay, so.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Grammar with Mario H494.
That's all I wanted to do. Who put the gas in the tube?
The Deborah.
Because that's what you do. You
I don't know, but we also have the.
car.
Oh, that's not the battery. I guess I'm just seeing things
I
again.
left my wife and 42 kids on the brink of starvation with only one hamburger left. Left. Right. Left.
I want to go right.
I want to go left. No! Oh boy, Jason's gonna be here in a half second. Ready? And
What do you mean?
There he
He's
is.
here with us.
insta killed. Oh, just kidding. Give me my baseball bat. Get out of here, Jason.
Nice, Moon.
Hold on, Jason. Can you let me turn on my tunes first? I need my tunes, man. You don't understand because you don't.
Do you have any
you don't
parts,
listen to-
Moon?
No.
Damn. He trapped every part of the car, actually.
Or did he?
The traps are kind of off, though, so you might be able to do, like, one or two of them.
I can turn my tunes on.
Oh, yeah, can you?
Dang it, you destroyed the tunes, Jason.
What tunes? I hear only like talking and gibberish and
On my
static.
radio. My radio. You turned them off. You turned off the radio.
Do you get music still?
No?
Ah, see? Okay then.
Oh,
You
hey.
turned off my tunes.
Hello, love.
Hey, Jason, I'm
Hello,
not there, I'm
Notorious.
upstairs. Look, I'm somewhere upstairs and you only have one shot to get
Guys,
me.
what the...
If you don't give me that one shot upstairs, I'm leaving.
What?
I just tried to go through the window and it, like, tried to walk straight through the wall.
Moon, I
Oh,
got a gift
shit.
for you.
Hey, there you are. I see you upstairs.
Here you go, Moon.
Nope.
Take it and
Alright,
I
I'm
kill
leaving.
you.
Don't do it.
You missed your
Thank
chance.
Alright, let's go, Moon.
I like this better.
Ah,
Jason, you
battery,
should've picked the right
yes.
closet. You should have picked the right closet.
Battery. Now we just the gas.
Except
And
someone...
keys.
Battery's not
And-
solid.
I mean, the two-seater would be.
Jason went and then he tried to kill me.
Hey, Burton.
But now
Burton.
he's gone. Or he's probably stalking him and I'm about to get insta-killed.
Ow.
Nope.
I'm
You
call.
lost
That's
a minute.
assault. I'm gonna call the cops on you.
Yeah, Jason.
I'm tripping trap. You should be getting hit any second.
Ah!
I never knew if you held R, you can look behind. You can look backwards.
I'm on.
Oh, you didn't know that? That's how do
No.
you think I dodge Jason so well
Know your place,
sometimes?
Jason. Know your place.
Oh, I just like.
I just
I just
yeah.
look back, look around.
I didn't. That's what
I
I,
look
do. I
backwards.
didn't even know that either.
Hello?
Oh,
Oh God, please.
he's up ahead.
God, help us.
Tommy Jarvis, please help us.
Jason's real.
Help us, Tommy Jarvis.
I need help. He's like, no, Moonlit Shadows, I got you.
Damn it. Let's go, Moon. Wow. He even put traps here.
How
Nope,
many
no, I set
traps
them
does
off.
he have?
Nice. Hey.
Hi, Jason. How you doing?
Oh, well, at least I know now I know the limit.
What's the limit?
Oh, I thought you just tried to shoot me. Kill me so
No.
they can escape, Jason.
Hit him! Hit him, Mario!
Ah.
No!
You're fine. Oh, home run!
Come on, Moo,
home
get in.
run! Home run, baby! Woo! Go. We might have just won this. I home runned him. I knocked him out of the map. Oh!
Yep, they scored a home run.
I knocked him out of the ramp. I knocked him out of the map, and the crowd goes wild.
Home run!
Ah, home run!
Look at all the ping.
I know, right?
Level
Take
88.
that, Jason.
I'm almost there,
Wow.
You
Moon.
can't get me.
You're making your way
I'm
there.
I'm top of
I
my
leveled up
list.
twice today.
Nice.
Even with 2 betrayals.
Oh, he quit. He quit. Nice.
He's like, I'm out of here. Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you so much. Leave a like, drop a
He
comment.
couldn't
Oh,
handle
no,
the
do you
home
want
run.
The next one.
I need to go get a
Oh
drink.
no.
I'll be
Go
right
get
back.